Hello everyone, we are Team SCLY. Today, we are really glad to be here sharing our opinions with you. And our topic is endangered animals. First of all, we will talk about motivation. The reason why we chose this topic is that we saw in the news there are many precious animals worldwide were endangered, such as leopard and Formosan black bear, which made us extremely regretful and made us pay attention to this topic and want to express our concern about endangered animals.
As for the concept of perspectives, we do not agree with human destruction of animal habitats for self-interest. People are developing the industry or expanding the farming. They are at the same time destroying the habitats of animals and threatening the animals' lives. In our opinion, how to strike a balance between the commercial interest and the ecological environment, and how to make trade-offs to enable people to coexist and prosper with nature are the most important issues.
For instance, in Taiwan, leopard cat and Formosan black bear are typically endangered. In the board, northern white rhinos and Chinese river dolphin are in the same situation. So, how do we solve these problems? The first priority is the government policy should be formulated. For example, we should impose more severe penalties for illegal poaching, and wildlife habitat development should be defined more clearly and strictly controlled. These are policies that need to be pursued by people.
We hope to reduce the incidence of poaching and the impact of environmental damage on wildlife through this process.
So, all in all, environmental destruction is always closely related to human development. How to minimize the damage to the environment will be the biggest problem that human beings need to face now and in the future. Thank you.
Now is Q&A session.
First of all, thank you for your presentation. I think your presentation tried to raise some of your opinions about the topic, so it's a good job. And but I have a question for you. That is, you keep endangered animals as your topic. You try to include endangered animals in Taiwan and also in foreign countries. But as a Taiwanese, is there any news about endangered animals that would be your that would attract your motivation or concern the most? What's your idea about the death of the the death of the panda. Do you think it's a kind of endangered animal?
The Formosan big panda, I think.
Formosan baby. We saw news,
Yes.
for example. So we will talk these endangered animals because we saw the news. They are in Taichung. They find the Formosan black bear, little Formosan black bear, but it has no parents. So our motivation is to protect these wildlife animals, to let have a house to live. It's our motivation.
Okay, was the cause of it was because of human development, or he died naturally? What cause of the death?
That's a human development because human created because human they decrease habitat to make a destruction of their habitat, so they have place to live. Okay.
Okay, thank you.